Hi guys, Laura here. So this is a truffle class lesson demonstration. This is to help you understand what to do when you have your truffle. I call them truffle innards or truffle stuffing, the inside part of the truffle. Once you have that, one of the classic things that happens is once you convert the truffle innards to the pan, oftentimes we have to put these into the freezer before you dress them with your lovely tempered chocolate. They can fall apart. So this is how you get them to not fall apart. You get a little pan and you get an ice cream scooper. You take the pan over to your sink, hot to warm water. You can also get a big glass, but I like to work with metal, not glass, because I can break stuff. So you take your ice cream scooper, you roll it around in the water, you collect your truffle innards, you pack it in there. Those of you that have coffee experience, baristaing, you know how to pack a nice shot of espresso. You're going to be pros at this. Put your thumb down on top of there, then pop it into your hand. You might need to stick a finger or two back into that water just to hydrate the truffle. Work over your bowl so that you don't lose these precious ingredients. What I have in here tonight is the filling for the pecan pie truffle. There is Jim Beam bourbon in here, which I've never purchased before in my life, if you can imagine. I mean, I don't drink, so I don't buy Jim Beam, but I've never actually worked with it in the kitchen before. Toasted pecans, coconut sugar. This is a really nice truffle. Coconut sugar and date sugar. So you want to get these truffles nice and firm. They should look like a little meatball, tiny little meatball, right? So you pop them onto the tray. These go into the freezer. So again, this video is really just to demonstrate. Get a dish of water. Make sure you've got an ice cream scooper, something smallish, and use the hydration to work with. I'm going to show you why. If I just take my innards, my truffle innards, and I do it without hydration, without this little bit of water, it might be a little hard to see, but the crumbs on my hand are just from this one. So when you add water to it, it just resolves all of that, and it gives you this versus this. So that's it, just a little tip. If you look onto, truffles are actually really easy to make. The hardest part, I should say the trickiest part, is really working with the chocolate, the tempered chocolate, and getting it to look really, really smooth. So we have a little tool that you can dip. It's like a chocolate bath. You just dip the truffle down in, put it on the parchment paper on the dish and let it chill. So there's little tricks to it, but that's actually the trickiest part, outside of how to actually get the innards right. Okie dokie. See you soon.